America's inflation print lands Tuesday, and it will probably confirm that inflation has cooled. But the thing that cooled it wasn't the Fed, it was oil. Start with last month. June's consumer price index came in at minus 0.40% month over month. Prices didn't just stop rising, they fell, and a drop that size is not common in the US. The single biggest reason for that drop was energy. Remember that oil went above $100 a barrel in the spring when the US and Iran were trading fire. Two decisions brought it back down. In late July, the administration paused further airstrikes, and Saudi Arabia cut its official selling price, not rate policy. Those two moves are what took the volatility out of oil. So what was the Fed doing? At the July meeting, it held rates in the 3.5 to 3.75% range, and it said it would stop signaling direction at all. No guidance. Then, July payrolls came in down 23,000. With inflation cooling and hiring cooling, the case for another hike disappeared. The Fed didn't so much push prices down as get handed a reason not to move. Tuesday's expected number is plus 0.10%. That looks like a rebound, but it's prices finding their level after a crash. It isn't inflation reaccelerating. Here's the part that matters. What would actually push inflation back up? The forecast doesn't point at wages or at rates. It points at geopolitical risk returning, a 20% chance of 0.30% or higher. So the ceiling on American inflation is being set in Hormuz, not in Washington. And the lesson isn't the number. If you get wrong who cooled something, you go looking for the next risk in the wrong place. To be fair, this doesn't mean the Fed did nothing. High rates have been holding demand down for a while. It means that in this particular stretch, the thing capping prices was energy. So Tuesday you only need three numbers. 0 means growth worries. 0.10 locks in a September hold. 0.3 or higher and the hawks are back. Inflation stories always end up being about the Fed. This one was made by two decisions taken in the Middle East. Not financial advice, but it's worth asking which numbers you're crediting to the wrong cause.